Hit to go for one team, or you just take it off? Wipe up if it's for that team. Take down. Oh! I can look at our stick got. Then we bought a stick, right? And they got stolen. They gave us one to give us a replacement for free. For free. Nice shot, Bill one. Different momentum sometimes, especially in this game. It's huge. Nice. Or 0-3 too.
I'll do a little with the exfoliating out my tongue. Clean out the tongue. Yeah.
Good shot. Nice shot. Bruh. Out. Yeah! One hit is goal, man. The pickles. Oh, that's a thing. Wow, nice one. Sir. Yeah! Nice, that's 6-1. No, we got 2-1. Nope. Good. God damn it. Wait, I think there was a video of it, right? Like, oh yeah. So there's one video where I'm in it, and I think if Sean's not in the game, it's not in his thing. And there's actually one that Sean put the wrong name. Yeah, and I was a little upset about that. He's like 5. I don't play that. Bruh. Yeah! Who you want with? Out. That's it. Back the call.
Bruh. Gino's addicted to pickles now. Okay.
Ah!
Nice. There will be a... Good try, Chuck. Good job. Oh! Wow. Oh! Nice job, Barry. 4-1. 4-1-2. And missiles. Nice. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
They weren't using the board, but I don't know. Actually, our comedy club.
Yes, please, yes, because, yeah, he's going to Japan and
Oh, good try, Chuck. Nice. Oh, wow, nice one. Defense.
Good shot, Edgar.
4-6.
Only 1 point.
Nice choice, Juan.
Oh, great.
No.
Oh, you got it.
Oh!
Line's good. Just the front line's not.
Nice shot.
Yeah! His forehand drive is really good. Even though he still holds like a pickle. Oh shit. Yeah! Oh my god, you're kidding.
Yes, one more, baby.
Sir, that used
It really was, and I loved it. I'm with you. It doesn't get much better. You go for it.
Our goal is to play.
I'll find somebody.
That's my name, actually. I just watched you as a commentator. Because, that's an 18. Oh, said that your boyfriend did a great shot. Oh, did he? And then you have to say. Well, he's not exactly. Alex is really nice. No, but the thing is, no, there's no more games. Are you going? You're playing these guys? All four? Oh, come on. The segregation. Okay? Discrimination. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, you can play. can play. I know I can. You have a game somewhere, let me know. I'm ready.
Well, maybe we need a guy who's straight.
It has ascorbic acid.
That's what I said.
How long do you usually 24? Oh, good hands, Sean. Thank you, Sue.
Good luck to you, Sue.
Yeah, you're stuff.
He holds it like a fucking towel. The guy in the dark blue on the other side.
Yes.
Just all the time. So it's always the same size. It's new. So, yeah, it's a curved palette. Well,
Is it effective?
and they don't, and if they're back, the rest of the piece, you have to preserve your body for longer. Because I'm noticing that because I'm using my thumb too much when I do a backhand and I play so much about 10 hours a day. And now it hurts me for one. And then this shot instead of this shot. Because this shot is all thumb. Yeah, well, and when you look at a lot of the players,
And it is
but it's preserved also for the body and there's no control. Yeah, I noticed playing right on the left side. I can do this.
Mark and Simmons?
Nice, Chuck. Great. Nice, Chuck.
Oh, ball!
You kind of lose it. You lose it. Oh, wow. Get it. Come on. It almost hit the ground.
Yes!
Out. Ah, come on, man. I told you that. I'm getting nervous. You did drop.
4, 10, 2.
He was going there. I knew it. You. Why did I do that again?
No, you go ahead.
Kids are working on it. Spend money on yourself. Nice. Dig it out.
I got drug shot, man. Go slow. Slow the game, man. Slow the game. Come on. Slow the game. Drug shot, man. No banging. Delay bang. Delay the bang.
Out!
Oh my God.
Mark, I'm throwing this game.
You have to put in the pass.
Bye.